shops give offers to their customers to increase sales. And most of the buyers are seeking offers while they are shopping. But how the retailers communicate offers to their customers? Small retailers can't access mass medias like TV advertisements or radio advertisements or paper advertisements. So they stick notices about their offers in front of their shops. But how many of customers see these offers? Only the ones who go to the shops will see the offers. Is that effective? Definitely not enough. In the other hand, large retailers have the power to access the mass medias, but so they will end up with push advertising. But how many of you pay attention to those advertisements? Example, while you are watching a movie, you don't like to see advertisements. In the other hand, when you are in a meeting, you don't like SMS marketing messages. So basically, you don't need anything when you don't need that. So will the retailers, large retailers, get the expected return? You know the answer. So now I am going to introduce you to the most powerful advertising platform in the world. If someone is asked to select from push advertising and pull advertising, most of the people in the world immediately select the pull advertising. Why is that? Because we don't need annoying push advertisements. Now you have OfferHut, the one-stop offer platform for all kind of mobiles in the world. It's a pull advertising platform where all the shops can publish offers in the OfferHut, and you can find the offers nearby when you need them, where you need. So any seller who has a mobile phone can publish his offers using OfferHut telco application. He can do any of these in the menu using SMS or USSD, both SMS or USSD. He can publish categorized offers in the OfferHut or update their shop details or update shop locations. So do we have forget smartphone users? No, we have developed two applications, Android and Windows Phone applications for smartphone users. So they have the rich interface to access OfferHut via smartphone. Now it's time to pull because we don't push. We have the buyer here and she can find nearby offers using SMS or USSDs, as you can see in the menu. When she needs offers, also she can search offers by categories or by shop. And buyers also have smartphones, so they can experience OfferHut using their smartphones, Android and Windows phones, to see the OfferHut. And this is the beauty of telco APIs integration with smartphone applications. And coming to retail shops, they have day-to-day customers, and we are marketing this application to retail shops. So they will get USSD code freely from us, and the people or customer can use this code to get the offers of that shop directly. So this is basically a value-added services for the retail shop. So so they will promote their code to customers, which is free advertising for us. So we are charging $1 per month from a customer and 1 cent per day from a $1 from a shop and 1 cent from a customer. Additionally, we have another set of OfferHut users who are external advertisers. They are basically paying 1 cent per impression of their ad. We don't push the advertisements. When a buyer finds offers using OfferHut, we will show the advertisement under the offer list only based on his interest. And by using OfferHart, the shops can